Hi everybody, Trent here today, and I'm here to show you how to create queries directly in Baselight with data that's already on the platform by simply using our built-in SQL engine. And to do that, I'm going to highlight a brand new data set from Polymarket, one of the largest prediction markets out there today. So to start, let's go find our data by clicking on Data Catalog. Now we're going to click Search Datasets and search for Polymarket. We're going to click on the Gamma market. You'll see you have two different data sets, but we're going to use the Gamma market one today. Here we have the description about the data set. On the left-hand side, we have the number of tables, when it was last updated, the license, as well as the source. So let's say we're happy about this. We're going to click Add to Query, and I'm going to do Add to New Query. So we're going to start a whole brand new one. And we're going to call this one Poly Markets. Query description, looking into different markets. And then right now you can see that this is not clicked, right? So if I did create query right now, this would stay private, but I want everybody to be able to see what I do. So we're going to click this box, and now everybody can see. All right, so now we're here in our built-in SQL engine. And what we have is a few different things to take a look at. One, this section here is where you'll actually type your entire query out. And on the right-hand side, you'll see this is the amount of data that we have to use in this query right now. Now, if we went and found more data sets, more of them would pop up here in the pinned tables for easy access. So when I'm here, I can click this and get a little more information about each table that is in this data set. But first, I'm going to type out a query really quickly so you can kind of see how it works. You'll notice that it'll start actually pre-filling my query for me based off of what I type in. So let me quickly type this out for you and I'll be right back.
1, 2, 3, yeah!
All right, so now that I went through and built out my query, I'm going to click Run, and you'll see it running right here. And now we have all these different results. Let me kind of make it a little easier to see. We're going to collapse this on the right-hand side, and we can see our results here. So this one actually pulled up Fed increased rates. Will Lewis Hamilton be the 2025 driver? Fed decreases the rates. Russia-Ukraine ceasefire, and no change in the Fed interest rates. So these ones are exactly what this returned from our Polymarket data set. Now, one thing I want to show you is what happens if I type something in wrong, right? So let's purposely misspell select. We're going to do that. And now we're going to click Run really quick. Oh, we'll notice here that the select still is not spelled correctly. So now it's actually identified that select has been incorrectly spelled. We can take a look. It's now fixing it. So let's click Apply Fix again. All right, and now you can see it's fixed it, and I'm going to run it a second time. Perfect. So this is how you find and build out queries in Baselight. Basically, you go to the data catalog, find the data you want to use, add it to your query, use our built-in SQL engine to create exactly what it is you want for your insights, and then run it right here in Baselight. So thank you so much. Please tag us when you find your own. We're excited to see what you build.